Most traders spend 30 minutes staring at a chart, scrolling left, adding indicators, drawing lines, switching time frames. And after all of that, they still aren't sure what they're looking at. Here's the truth. A professional trader can look at a chart for 30 seconds and know three things instantly: the trend, the structure, and whether there's an opportunity worth taking. Not because they're smarter, because they have a framework. In this video, I'm going to give you that exact framework. 3 steps, 30 seconds. Works on any chart, any market, any time frame. After this video, you will never stare blankly at a chart again. Not financial advice, just education. Let's get into it. Here's the real problem. Most traders were taught to look for patterns first. Head and shoulders, flags, triangles, double tops. So they open a chart and immediately start searching, scanning, hunting for a shape that matches something they memorized. And that's exactly backwards. Pattern recognition without context is like reading the last page of a book first. The words make sense individually, but the story doesn't. Before you look for a setup, you need to understand the environment you're in. Is the market trending or ranging? Is price at a key level or in empty space? Is there enough room for a trade to breathe? These 3 questions, answered in order, give you everything you need in 30 seconds. That's the framework. Step 1. Zoom out and identify the trend. Not the trend on the time frame you're trading. The trend on the time frame above it. If you trade the 1-hour chart, look at the 4-hour first. If you trade the 4-hour, look at the daily. The higher time frame is the weather. Your trading time frame is what you wear. You need to know the weather before you decide what to wear. Now, here's the simplest trend definition you'll ever hear. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. That's it. No indicators needed, no moving averages required. Just look at the swing points. Are the peaks getting higher? Are the valleys getting higher too? If yes, you're in an uptrend. Only look for buys. Are the peaks getting lower? Are the valleys getting lower? Downtrend. Only look for sells. And if neither is clear, if price is making equal highs and equal lows, you're in a range. Different rules apply. We'll get to that. This step takes 10 seconds. Zoom out. Look at swing points. Label the trend. 10 seconds. Done. Step 2. Identify the structure. Structure means the key levels that matter right now. Not every level. Not every line you can possibly draw. Just 2 things. Where is the nearest significant support? Where is the nearest significant resistance? Support is where price has bounced from before. Resistance is where price has been rejected before. These are the walls of the room price is currently moving in. And here's the key question. Where is price right now relative to those walls? Is price near support in an uptrend? That's potentially interesting. Price may bounce. Is price near resistance in a downtrend? Also interesting. Price may reject. Is price in the middle of the range nowhere near a wall? Then there's nothing to do. You wait. Most traders lose money not because they trade badly, but because they trade in the middle, where there's no edge, where price can go either way with equal probability. Structure tells you where the edges of the room are. You only want to trade near the walls, not in the middle of the floor. This step takes 10 seconds. Find support, find resistance. Note where price is sitting right now. 10 seconds. Done. Step 3. Identify the opportunity. This is where everything comes together. You know the trend. You know the structure. Now you ask one final question. Is there a setup forming, or do I wait? A setup requires 3 things to align. First, location. Price must be at or near a key level. Support in an uptrend. Resistance in a downtrend. Not in the middle. Second, behavior. How is price reacting at that level? Is it bouncing cleanly? Are the candles showing rejection, small bodies, long wicks pushing back from the level? Or is price cutting straight through like the level doesn't exist? Rejection at a key level in the direction of the trend. That's your signal. Third, confirmation. One candle is not enough. Wait for the candle to close. A closed candle is a fact. An open candle is a guess. If location is right, behavior shows rejection, and a candle confirms you have a setup. If any one of those 3 is missing, you have nothing. You wait. This step takes 10 seconds. Check location, check behavior, check confirmation. 10 seconds. Done. Let's put it all together. You open a chart. Clock starts. Seconds 1 to 10 zoom out. Higher highs and higher lows, uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows, downtrend. Neither, range. Seconds 11 to 20 find the walls. Where is support? Where is resistance? Where is price right now relative to those levels? Seconds 21 to 30, is there a setup? Is price at a key level? Is it showing rejection? Has a candle confirmed? 30 seconds. 3 answers. Trend, structure, opportunity. If all 3 align, you dig deeper. You check volume. You size your position. You plan your entry and stop. If they don't align, you close the chart. You move to the next one, or you wait. That's the entire process. No indicators needed in step 1 through 3. No complex tools, no memorized patterns, just 3 questions answered in order every single time. Here's what separates traders who read charts confidently from traders who stare at them blankly. It's not intelligence. It's not experience. It's having a process, a repeatable, ordered, 3-step process that cuts through the noise and gives you clarity in 30 seconds. Trend, structure, opportunity. Write those 3 words down. Put them somewhere you see them before every trading session. And the next time you open a chart, run the framework. All 3 steps, in order, every time. Drop a comment below. Which step do you think you've been skipping? Trend identification, structure mapping, or waiting for confirmation? I read every single one. See you in the next video. Stay disciplined.